In 1945, an atomic bomb was dropped in Hiroshima. Father Schiffer and companions, who were just blocks away from the epicenter, survived the blast and were still alive 31 years later. Father Schiffer believed that the only explanation to their survival was because they were living the message of Fatima and prayed the rosary daily. One can check out other spectacular favors obtained through the rosary. But where does this power of the Mother of God to intercede on our behalf come from? In the Old Testament, the word Gebirah means queens, who were mothers of the kings in the line of King David. We can see the dignity of the Queen Mother from the first book of Kings. Mary is the New Testament Gebirah. No wonder the intercession of Mary, Mother of God, is a force to reckon with.